The most powerful secret that has been hidden from men is now revealed. And in today's video, I will share it with you, and this is no ordinary secret. This is something that has the potential to change your entire life. In fact, there are so many men that have already used this secret and have accomplished unbelievable things. I want you to know how they did it and, more importantly, how you can do it too. I call this secret the power of attraction, and it is a force that has the potential to help you achieve anything you desire. So here's the honest truth. We all have dreams and goals. We all want to accomplish something great, but there's always that one thing that holds us back, that one thing that keeps us from achieving our full potential. For some, it may be fear. For others, it may be doubt or a lack of confidence. Whatever it is, it holds us back from becoming the best version of ourselves. But what if I told you that there was a way to overcome this? What if I told you that there was a way to tap into a power within you that could help you achieve anything you wanted? That's right, I'm talking about the power of attraction. You see, the power of attraction is a universal law that states that like attracts like. Simply put, whatever you focus on expands. So if you focus on negative thoughts and emotions, then negativity will expand in your life. But if you focus on positive thoughts and emotions, then positivity will expand in your life. Let me tell you a story to illustrate what I mean. There was a young man who had just graduated from university. He was bright and ambitious, but he was also very scared. He was scared of failing, of not being able to find a job, of not being able to make enough money. All of these fears were holding him back from pursuing his dream of starting his own business. One day, he met a mentor who taught him about the power of attraction. His mentor explained to him that his thoughts and emotions were creating his reality. And if he wanted to change his reality, he needed to change his thoughts and emotions. At first, he didn't believe it. He thought that it was just a bunch of new age nonsense. But he was desperate, so he decided to give it a try. He started by focusing on positive thoughts and emotions. He started visualizing himself as a successful entrepreneur. He started believing in himself and his abilities. And guess what happened? His life started to change for the better. He started attracting opportunities and resources that helped him start his own business. He became successful and achieved everything he had ever dreamed of. This young man's story is just one example of how the power of attraction can change your life. You see, we all have the power to create our own reality. We all have the power to attract whatever we want into our lives, but most people don't realize it. They go through life on autopilot, just reacting to what happens instead of consciously creating the life they want. So how can you tap into this power? The answer is simple, yet most men never truly grasp it. First, you need to believe that it works. You need to have faith in the law of attraction. Second, you need to focus on positive thoughts and emotions. You need to visualize the life you want and feel good about it. And third, you need to take action. The power of attraction is a tool that can help you achieve anything you want, but it's not a magic wand. You still have to put in the work. You still have to take the steps necessary to achieve your goals. The power of attraction is like a magnet. If you want to attract something into your life, you need to be clear about what you want and then focus your energy on it. When you focus your energy on something, you start to vibrate at the same frequency as that thing. And when you vibrate at the same frequency as something, it starts to move towards you. Let me give you another example. Let's say you're trying to attract a new job. First, you need to be clear about the kind of job you want. Don't just think vaguely about it. Take some time to really define what you want. Do you want to work for a big company or a small company? What kind of salary are you looking for? What kind of work environment do you want? Once you've got a clear understanding of the kind of job you want, it's time to focus your energy on it. Visualize yourself working at this job. Feel the satisfaction and happiness that it brings you. Believe that you deserve this job and that you are going to get it. Then take action. Start applying for jobs that match your criteria. Network with people in your field. Prepare for interviews. The more you do this, the faster you will attract the job you want into your life. I know what you might be thinking. This all sounds well and good, but how does it actually work? How does the power of attraction actually work? Well, it's simple. Everything in the universe is made of energy. Everything vibrates at a particular frequency. When you think a certain thought or feel a certain emotion, you are sending out a vibrational signal into the universe. The law of attraction states that like attracts like. So if you want to attract something into your life, you need to vibrate at the same frequency as that thing. For example, let's say you want to attract a new car. First, you need to get clear about the car you want. What kind of car do you want? What color is it? How does it make you feel? Once you've got a clear picture of the car you want, it's time to focus your energy on it. Visualize yourself driving this car. Feel the excitement and joy that it brings you. Believe that you deserve this car and that you are going to get it. Then take action. Start taking steps towards buying the car you want. Research different models, get pre-approved for a loan, start saving for a down payment. The more you do this, the faster you will attract your dream car into your life. I know that this might all sound strange, but the truth is that the power of attraction is real. It is a law of the universe, and anyone who understands it and uses it to their advantage will be successful. You see, we all have the ability to shape our reality. We all have the ability to attract anything we want into our lives, but most of us don't realize it. We go through life on autopilot, just reacting to what happens instead of consciously creating the life we want. It's time to wake up and take control of your life. It's time to start using the power of attraction to manifest the life of your dreams. Here's your reminder. You are capable of achieving anything you set your mind to. Don't let fear or doubt hold you back. Believe in yourself and your ability to create the life you want. Take action towards your goals and trust that the universe will conspire to help you achieve them. Here are 3 bonus tips to help you on your journey. Tip No. 1. Stay positive. Positive thoughts and emotions attract positive experiences. So make a conscious effort to focus on the good things in your life and to cultivate positive emotions. Tip Note 2. Be grateful. Gratitude is a powerful emotion that can help you align with the energy of abundance. Take time each day to express gratitude for the blessings in your life. Tip number 3. Take action. The power of attraction is a tool that can help you achieve anything you want, but it's not a magic wand. You still have to put in the work. You still have to take the steps necessary to achieve your goals. Remember, you are the creator of your own reality. You have the power to attract anything you want into your life. So use the power of attraction wisely and to make sure that you are using it to manifest the life of your dreams. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please let me know by hitting the like button and subscribing for more videos just like this one. Thank you for watching.